Here I have Crosscall Core M5, and today I'm going to show you how to enter Fastboot mode on this device. So firstly you should turn your device off by holding down power key, then tap power off, and after device turns off completely, hold down combination of keys power key plus volume down at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. And after the screen turns on and you can see Crosscall logo appear, to release power key and keep holding only volume down. In the following menu you should use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and you should select an option enter Fastboot, and after that you will end up in the Fastboot mode. So here, just like in the previous mode, you can use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and you have such options as reboot system now, enter recovery, reboot to bootloader, and power off. So if you want to quit this mode, just select the first option, reboot system now, and device will be restarted just as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.